followed and must not be changed. When you squat down, it has to be followed. It must not be changed. Yeah, we'll do it. We will do it. It's enough. Can we change?
Yes.
See, now it is shown before what is the condition of the aura, after what is the condition of the aura. If you clairvoyantly see, okay, if you see it in this picture, the aura becomes, here you cannot see any, here in the aura you cannot see any blue and pink. In this there are colors. Can you see it? Different colors. So there are different colors. You are actually, you can experience your transformation because when the lower energies go up, they are actually becoming of love, compassion. Higher energies are going to be getting transferred. So that is already showing in the aura. So if that you are doing an aura photography, you will actually believe that yes, what I am doing, I can experience. So this is, that was at the front, this is at the back. Okay, what we saw. Now people who are not so young are physically handicapped, they can do the semi-squatting version of Super Brain Yoga 50 to 70 times per session. Okay, this is what is recommended by the teacher. Those who cannot bend their knees. So, see, when you come for a basic class, okay, then when I think those people who are there, we did the squatting, no, the other day, and how many times we were doing? We were doing 50 times. Okay, we were doing it like that 50 times. So, when the basic chakra is strong, your instinct of survival and the ability, okay, for all resources are already balanced. If you do not move your body, your instinct of survival is diminishing. So you have to inhale your own energy. Others cannot inhale energy for you. You have to move your own body. Others cannot come and physically move your body. Others can help you, they can guide you. But ultimately you have to walk. Super Brain can be practiced if necessary twice or thrice a day. Okay, you can do this twice or thrice a day depending upon your utility. Upon your utility, how much you want to work. If you are not going to do that much work, then just do it once a day. Okay, if you are doing a lot of work, you keep on recharging yourself. Okay, over practicing this may cause pranic congestion in the head region. See, we are all intelligent beings. If we come to know that the head region is becoming heavy, so at that time, stop doing it. Is this clear? The Super Brain Yoga must be done almost every day to repeatedly energize and activate the brain cells. Okay? Do not do the Super Brain Yoga 2 days before, during and 2 days after menstruation. This is for ladies. Please follow these guidelines. Keeping the body clean. Practicing the Super Brain Yoga increases the flow of pranic energy within the body. To minimize possible physical health problems, it is important to keep the physical and the energy body clean. For a person who intends to practice Super Brain Yoga regularly, the following guidelines will have to be observed. Please avoid smoking. Okay? Second, avoid excessive alcohol intake. Addictive or hallucination drugs must be avoided. Avoid eating pork. For people who eat pork, if they do this exercise, then the dirty energy will go in the head region. So that is why Master says those who are eating pork should not do this exercise. Avoid eating fish with no scales, as eel and catfish, such as eel and catfish, because according to him, that fish which does not have scales, their protective shielding is not there in their body. So the physical counterpart what they are eating is not healthy. But a fish with scales is okay. It is not that contaminated or dirty. Now do not overdo Super Brain Yoga to avoid or minimize possible physical health problems like insomnia. See, if you experience insomnia, stop doing. Second, overheating of the body. If your body is getting heated, stop the Super Brain Yoga exercise. Weakening of the body, you stop. If any pain or discomfort is also there, you stop it. If skin rashes are also there, please stop doing it. If any pain or adverse effects are experienced by practicing Super Brain Yoga, you are advised to discontinue it immediately, either temporarily or permanent. And please consult your doctor or a certified pranic healer. Okay? Now, the Super Brain Yoga pilot study. This has been done in New Jersey. Okay? And these are the benefits that have been achieved. Okay? Subjects 5 to 9 years of age with a variety of disabilities including neurological defects, Down syndromes, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, attention deficit disorder, psychotic depressive disorder, autism, seizure disorder, cognitive delay. Okay, some subjective results of this preliminary study are as follows. The children are more focused and ready to work. After doing the Super Brain Yoga exercise, the children become more focused because their energies have balance in their body. So they actually understand their role of life that we have to learn, and that is how it helps. The children are displaying improved emotional states. They are not very hyper. Emotionally also they become calm because the lower energies are transformed with love and compassion. So the emotions also are getting balanced. And the third, the child displaying bizarre behaviors appears to have a normal behavior. The memory and retention of new information appears to have improved. So their brain cells are actually having new information. That is why this change happens. Okay? The entire dynamic of the class has improved dramatically. This was done in New Jersey by Dr. Glenn Joseph Mendoza, MD, MPH, and Dr. Raina Kotare. Okay? OTRI. Okay? Now, it also helps in stress relief. Those who are too stressful, if the Super Brain Yoga exercise is done, okay, what happens? The energies from the basic and the sex chakra moves to up the lower energies are transformed into subtle pranic energies, thereby energizing the whole physical body. The Super Brain Yoga not only energizes and activates the brain and the entire body. This is why some people have experienced stress reduction by practicing Super Brain Yoga. Okay, so some people get this benefit. Other benefits are, okay, from the practice of Super Brain Yoga are greater psychological stability and also greater ability to regulate the sex drive, especially for teenagers. Now, see, when teenagers are there in the family, okay, for the parents it becomes a big issue because their lower energies, if they are not regulated at the right time, you will lose your child. Okay, so if you make him practice the Super Brain Yoga exercise, he will be a perfect boy and he will go in for intelligence and wisdom, which is the right thing at the right time. Is this clear? Since the Super Brain Yoga activates the higher energy centers and also energizes the brain and nervous system, it is possible to use the Super Brain Yoga to elevate the condition of patients with psychological ailments and or brain and nervous system ailments. So anybody having brain and nervous system problems, if the Super Brain Yoga is done, they will get benefit. This has to be done under supervision of a medical doctor and a certified pranic healer, okay, before continuing with this practice. Because see, what will the pranic healer do? The pranic healer will actually see whether the mudra is right, the tongue is connected, whether they are inhaling when they are going down. See, once after 5-6 times of you doing it correctly, then you can go on your own. So in the initial state, somebody has to monitor it, that it is not done wrongly. Because if it is done wrongly, you don't get the right benefit. Okay? It is extremely beneficial if at least one person in every family knows pranic healing, since it can be used as a pranic first aid to treat simple and difficult ailments when the need arises. This has been said by Master Chua Kok Sui. Okay, so these are all the courses, and this is a master It keeps one wondering whether he is human being having that divinity or divine being descended at a human level to elevate the sufferings of humanity. He is so human yet divine,